the shipping industry emits about 1 billion tonnes of carbon dioxide a year. The industry has a target to cut that in half by 2050. Is that possible?
Around the world at this very moment, there are all sorts of incredibly intelligent people looking at this very problem.
Well, my name is Noah Silbersmed, and I'm the CEO and founder of Silverstream Technologies. And we have created a commercial system that saves fuel for ships using air lubrication.
Tiny air bubbles are pumped through vents fitted into the hull of a ship.
Air lubrication means that we are using air to reduce the frictional resistance of a hull of a ship. And that makes the vessel glide more easily through water.
Air lubrication has been independently tested and shown to work. The system was installed on board this oil tanker.
The fuel saving depends on the hull and the speed you go at, but typically it's 5 to 12%.
On their own, these savings aren't enough to halve CO2 emissions by 2050. But there are other fuel-saving devices. The spinning column on top of this ferry is a mechanical sail.
It's called the rotor sail, so it's a large rotating cylinder which is rotated around its main axis with internal electric motor. And while we rotate this large cylinder, we also rotate thin layer of air around the cylinder. And when that rotating air is interacting with the wind, it's creating a pressure difference which is starting to push the entire ship forward.
It's basically like the wing of an airplane.
It's acting just like a wing of an airplane or as a conventional sail, it just doesn't look like one.
When the ship uses the wind, the captain can reduce main engine power. Rotor sails were installed on this ship in 2015. It saves 400 tonnes of fuel a year. That's about 6% of its annual consumption. But both technologies are costly to buy and have only been fitted to a handful of ships. But with pressure on the industry to decarbonise, and as fuel for shipping gets more expensive, that may change.